be cold.
Yeah? What, does he need help peeing?
It ain't wanting to go down. I don't know.
I didn't think it would.
There, now you can say damn and then.
What are those fat chickens you have that are wild?
Guineas.
Yeah, those aren't wild chickens, Zachary. Those are guineas.
Them are turkeys. Huh?
These are turkeys.
Y'all don't need turkeys. Because those
That's what the
There's
pilgrims
4
had
of
the first
them.
Thanksgiving. Yeah, they're all
Yeah.
drakes. Drakes run together this time of year.
those are big ones.
The toms run together and the hens run together this time of year.
I wonder if we can see anything else besides. How did those get in there?
They just live here. They
Okay, got him.
I thought they were only allowed to be.
go to that, or you want to go to these two?
I want to go to these two standing here first.
There ought to be some across the
Stop,
road.
stop,
They
stop.
are. Look. Some's across the road.
Oh wow!
Yep, they're crossing the road.
They're trying to. There's mud all over.
That's
it.
the same one you was picturing a while ago.
If you want them to bite.
Here, I'll pull up some for you in a second. Let's pull up to one of them where he
Okay.
can get the back.
The heck?
Uh-oh.
What was that?
I didn't have it in here good. I was trying to,
There you go, Bub.
Go up to this one.
and then he can have a picture of that one. You got them?
He's 960. Oh, there's one fixing to be in the road. Oh, never mind. I thought he was going into the road.
There's a little bitty baby one behind him. Look at that baby.
Oh, that is a baby. That's a big baby.
Yeah, they're wanting to cross. Look
Yeah,
at
they're
them.
fixing to get in the road. We're gonna be sitting here for a while if they don't cross the road. There's 2 in the road. I think. Is that 2? Is that just 1? He's looking.
This one's in the road now.
Oh, we're trapped.
Oh, heck!
I'm videotaping.
We're trapped. There's one in front of us. We just might as well put it in neutral.
I got a picture of you smiling at me. That is so cute.
Oh, no, they're crossing the road right now. Look. Look forward. They're getting in the road now. Look, Zachary. Street.
He's got some crossing right behind him.
There's a car coming too, so he's going to be trapped back there. Because that... Oh, it's not fully in the road. These 3 are.
Okay, go up a little tiny bit.
Where did that car come from?
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, you in. Pull up each of the side this one.
Yeah.
That good?
Yep, that's good, because now I got to zoom out.
And then there's this baby.
They just trapped that guy.
Oh no.
I'm videotaping him crossing.
Oh, there's a baby not wanting to cross. This baby don't want to
Stop or stop.
He's moving.
We got another straggler baby over here that's fixing to come.
Yeah.
Here he comes.
Oh, look at that. He's jumping, running.
He
That's
said,
the first time I've
Don't
seen it.
leave me, don't leave me.
I wish we would have been here for those ones crossing, all of them crossing that one.
Don't leave me.
I don't know why.
I think so. Taking pictures of that buffalo that's standing right next to his leg. He said, there's my buddy right there. See that little calf waiting for the other little calf. Pull up.
Yeah, but see, they're getting up in the brush where there's cover.
probably not gonna go back around again.
No. No, because they're getting up into the brush where it's not been bush hogged.
Yeah. They need to mow all of this.
Well, a lot of it's the